Welcome back to the Real English Podcast.
It is great to see you again.
Brr. Oh, I am so happy to be inside. It is very freezing out there today.
You know, it's funny you say that.
Who is? That it's cold.
Well, yes, that, but also what you just said, very freezing.
Yeah.
It sounds a little unusual.
Oh, really? But why? I just mean it's extremely cold.
I know, and it makes sense. But freezing is already a really strong word. It's kind of at the maximum level already.
Huh. So you don't need to add very.
Exactly. You just say, it's freezing. That's it. It's powerful on its own.
It's freezing. Okay. I think I get it. I guess I was just really feeling the cold.
I can tell. Are you okay in here, though, in the studio?
Yeah, I'm fine now. It's much better in here. How about you? Do you feel cold?
I feel fine. Maybe just a little cool, but definitely not freezing.
Right. It's funny how these words are so much about a feeling, isn't it? Not just a number on a thermometer.
That's it, exactly.
Yeah.
It's all about how it feels to you.
So to really get this right, let's talk about the main three words. Chilly, cold, and freezing.
Great idea.
How can we understand the difference easily?
Okay, here's a simple way to think about it. Imagine the volume on a TV.
Okay, volume. Got it.
Chilly is like low volume. You can hear it, it's there, but it's not loud. It's just a little bit uncomfortable.
And cold.
Cold is normal volume. It's clear, it's standard, it's what you expect.
So what's freezing?
Freezing is maximum volume. It's loud, it's intense, it's a strong reaction.
I like that. Low, normal, and max. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start with chilly. Low volume. I think of like an autumn evening.
Yes, perfect. Or spring, maybe. The sun goes down and suddenly you feel a little shiver.
Yeah, that's it. That little shiver. You just think, ooh, it feels chilly this evening.
Exactly. It's a light discomfort. It's when you'd say, I feel chilly without a jacket.
Right. You're not going to die, but you wish you had one more layer.
A light jacket. A sweater, maybe?
Okay, so that's chilly. What about cold then? Normal volume.
Well, cold is the neutral word, the standard.
Yeah.
It just means the temperature is low. It's definitely not warm.
Like today. I wouldn't say it's just chilly out there. It's properly cold.
For sure. And we use it for body parts a lot.
Oh, yeah. Like my hands are cold.
Right. Or your feet, your nose.
And for other things too, right? Like
Oh.
jumping into a swimming pool.
Yes. You wouldn't say the water is chilly.
No way. You'd shout, the water is cold.
Right. It's a much stronger, more definite feeling.
And, you can use it for people too.
You can. That's
Yeah.
a great point. Not their temperature, but their personality.
Yeah, like she gave me a cold look. It means she wasn't friendly.
Exactly. No warmth.
Okay, so that brings us to the last one. The one I got wrong.
Freezing.
Maximum volume.
Yes. This is for when you have a strong reaction. It's for emphasis, for a bit of drama.
So it doesn't have to be, actually 0 degrees Celsius.
Not at all. It's about how you feel. Think about being in an office in the summer,
Oh, I know this feeling. The air conditioning is on full blast.
and you're sitting right under it.
Yeah, and I'm shivering at my desk.
Yeah.
I'd say, I'm freezing in here.
Absolutely. You're using it to exaggerate how uncomfortable you are.
Okay, that makes so much sense, and that's why you can't say very freezing.
Because it's already maxed out. It's already very.
Got it. This actually reminds me of a mistake I made just the other day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I woke up, and I looked out the window, and the sun was shining. It was beautiful.
Uh-huh. The perfect trick.
It was. And I thought, okay, maybe it's just a bit chilly, low volume.
So you didn't put on a proper coat.
I went out in just a T-shirt.
Oh, no.
Big mistake. As
It-
soon as I stepped outside, the wind just hit me.
Yeah.
And it was freezing. Absolutely freezing. It wasn't just a bit chilly.
Of course not. The sun lied to you.
It really did. My hands were cold. My nose was cold. I was freezing. The whole walk to the coffee shop was just miserable.
See, that's why the weather app is your best friend.
I learned my lesson.
A painful lesson.
So just to do a really quick review using your metaphor.
Let's do it.
Chilly,
Low volume, a little cold. You might need a light jacket.
cold,
Normal volume. Normal low temperature, the standard word.
and freezing.
Max volume. Extremely cold, or at least a really strong reaction to the cold.
Awesome. That makes it so much clearer.
Good.
So for everyone listening right now, we have a question.
Yes.
How is the weather where you are right now? Take a second. Is it just chilly or is it freezing?
And whatever it is, we hope you're comfortable.
Thanks for listening.
If you'd like more episodes like this,
You can subscribe to the channel. See you next time.